Do you want stripes in your lawn like these? Well, this is how to do it.
You'll see right behind my mower here, this little device, it's a roller. The inside of it is this roller here that rolls along, just filled up with sand. Causes the grass to lay down in different directions. Then the sun will reflect off of it differently. And that's what will cause the stripes.
Let's get started. Wait till the end for the results. Take your time. This is your art. Make sure to keep those lines straight. Almost there. Here are the final results. Make sure to like and follow for more and keep up the lawn domination.